have a mission in my life, and that mission is to make sure that I contribute toward the protection, preservation, and promote of the Pyniasoh people and the Pyniasoh as a state as a whole. So with that same mission, with that same objective, as of now I have retired as a project group. So my intention is that to continue this mission forward, to take forward this mission which is there in my heart and in my mind through politics. We all know that in order to protect, promote and preserve the identity and the state as a whole, government play a very, very important role. So my intention at this point of time is that to try to contribute whatever knowledge I have, whatever strength and force that I have within myself, with the blessing of the Almighty, to further contribute toward the society. So yeah, ideologically, I am very much inclined to the regional party. I am very much inclined to UDP, SDP, and others party. So as of now, as you see, UDP is one of the regional party, biggest regional party in the state, who has earned a lot of trust and confidence from the people of the state as a whole. So definitely I have no hesitation to play my role to contribute to the welfare of the state and the Japan Rail through the UDP.
So that means it's confirmed you are joining?
Yes, it's confirmed that I will be joining UDP.
When?
Today.
Today only?
Yeah.
Okay. All the best for
Thank
your
you.
future.